he got rich in the trap. I know that he's thinking I'm mad. When he dials my number, he says that he wonders why I don't, and I won't hit him back. One day I did hit him back. One day I did hit him back. Told him that crazy is black, and I told him to keep all the loss.
So what's up, everybody? Well, welcome back to the channel, man. Back with another video as usual, man. Today's video, man, we're going to be comparing the TownCar to a Dodge Charger. Really, what I'm doing, I'm comparing a TownCar to the more modern cars and see what really is the difference. If you had bought a TownCar today, specifically mine, signature TownCar, it would be worth $60,000. Off the rip, $60,000. Back then, in 2003, it was worth $45,000, $45,000 to $50,000. Back then, in 2003. Now, due to inflation and everything like that, this will be worth $60,000 brand new. $60,000 brand new. So, just imagine that. Like, this is why this is one of the best cars to get as well. You can go get this car for pretty much nothing, even in this pandemic or with this inflation going on. You still can get this car for a good deal. You can get a $60,000 car for pretty much, nothing. So I think I got my car for $4,000. Actually, it was a little bit more than that, but I talked the dude down a little bit. I think it was worth originally like $4,300. I talked him down $300. I really had to talk him down. I just said I'll give you $4,000 for it. He was like, bet, pretty much. So gave him $4,000 for it. There was nothing wrong with it. Leather seats, everything like that. So I just want to go over, compare, and contrast, and what this 20-year-old car has, 19-year-old car has, than these modern cars. What's different, you know what I'm saying? So y'all seeing on the screen right now, you're seeing a TownCar. I'm on Edmond right now. So this is the TownCar. Let's start with the new car first. It's a 2021 Dodge Charger. This is a Scat Pack. I had to get the Scat Pack because it has the I'll tell y'all in a second. So I'm more focused on the comfort and convenience. I'm not focused on anything else but the comfort and convenience. Yeah, the Scat Pack has a 6.4 liter Hemi engine in there. So I mean, obviously it's faster, but is it a better value car? It's a real question. That is the main question right now. Which car has a better value? So that's why I'm making this video. So comfort and convenience, right? So you got cruise control, electric power steering, which is good, really good actually. You got front, rear cup holders, front, rear door pockets. They have cup holders in them too. If you have a Charger, you know. Front seat storage. You have keyless entry. Well, not keyless entry. You have keyless ignition, so you got the push button start. Mindful that you can actually install this on any older car, so just throwing that out there. Everything I'm saying, we'll get to it in a minute. Overhead console with storage. The TownCar is that's downfall. It doesn't have it has an overhead console. It just doesn't have storage, right? Rear parking sensors. The TownCar has rear parking sensors, rear view camera. You can just go get an aftermarket stereo, go get an aftermarket camera for less than like $50. You have a rear view camera. For a TownCar at least. Tilting and telescoping steering wheel. Most cars obviously have that. Universal remote transmitter for garage door security. The TownCar has that too. Transmission, cruise control, and audio controls on steering wheel. TownCar has that too. Electronic chromatic inside rear view mirror. Heated steering wheel. The TownCar does not have a heated steering wheel, but it does have a real wood steering wheel. Interior air filtration. I don't even understand that. I mean, every car has interior air filtration. Leather. Actually, I take that back because the TownCar doesn't come with a filter. You can buy a filter if you want to, but it doesn't come with an actual cabin air filter. But I'm not sure that's what it's talking about. But leather and stimulated alloy steering wheel. So leather and stimulated alloy steering wheel, right? Dual illuminated vanity mirrors. Pretty much have that in TownCar. Dual zone front climate. Most of everything that's in here is in the TownCar. But I want y'all to see this, right? You see the comfort and convenience, right? I have the comfort and convenience right here. This is where the little tab starts at, right? And then it just stops right here. Just notice that. I just want y'all to notice that. And then once again, obviously, this is a scat pack, so. But it doesn't mention a couple of things that the TownCar comes with. This would be the TownCar would be a $60,000 car right now. I'm gonna put some pictures up here as well. Let's go to the TownCar real quick. So 2 V8s. This V8 is more reliable. This is the most reliable V8 that you're gonna get, regardless, hands down. The most reliable V8 and the most reliable car, hands down. But besides that, the Honda Civics, the Hondas, and the Toyotas, and Kias. People forget about Kias, but Kias are really reliable cars. Actually, hold on. Let me see something real quick. Let me go back to it. Let's go to total seating. Total seating is 5 on this car. The total seating is 6 on the TownCar. Let's see. I'm still on. Okay, 2020. Rear wheel drive, 8-speed shiftable automatic, combined miles per gallon, 18 miles per gallon, 1524 miles per gallon, 18.5 gallon tank. Premium unleaded fuel required. You can use regular unleaded fuel. I mean, I don't know why they say premium. The premium is literally just to get a better. You'll get the actual horsepower that it's asking for. So if it's say 485 horsepower with the premium fuel or the top tier fuel, you're gonna get that horsepower. If you use regular unleaded, you're not gonna get 485. You're gonna get like 475 or something like that, or 482. Yeah. So base engine 6.4 liter, overhead valves, 485 horsepower, 475. I should have more torque than horsepower, but okay. 16 valves. Okay, so let's go to the TownCar again. Touch a little bit of that. Combined 18 miles per gallon, 1623, pretty much the same. 19 gallon tank, has a bigger tank. Regular unleaded for a V8. But a couple miles, you can get more miles per gallon with this. Just saying, FYI. Single overhead cam. This is pretty much a Mustang engine. A Coyote engine without the dual overhead cam. So I couldn't even imagine with a dual overhead cam. Single overhead cam V8, you producing 240 horsepower to the 240 horsepower. This if y'all didn't know, anything 2002 and under was getting I think like 215 horsepower. So the 2003 and up got that horsepower bump. So it's going to produce pretty much 240 horsepower and 287 pounds-feet of torque. You know, just a side note. I really wish they would put a V8 like this in the Charger, even if it would be a little slower on horsepower, but just to have that V8 sound in a V8 in that car would be better because it will have that torque to actually pull a lot of that weight that the Charger has. The V6 lacks that torque, so I would rather have that like a smaller V8 instead of a 5.7, do like a 4.6, or whatever they can do for a V8 for that engine. They shouldn't even offer a V6 in the Charger. Just throwing it out there. They shouldn't really. And same thing, 16 valves and stuff like that. So let's go down. We're still on the car. I also note that this car is more customizable and easier to maintain as well. So let's go down to, I think I passed it already. Let's go down to comfort and convenience. And you see this, notice, this is what I said a second ago, notice the comfort and convenience. It's still stuff to scroll down, I guess. But I guess this is the floor mats. But adjustable pedals. So the pedals on the ground, on the floor are adjustable. The gas pedal and the brake pedal is adjustable. You got cruise control just like the Charger. I've never seen any other car has this that you can adjust the pedal. I think more like I'm thinking of. I could be wrong. I'm thinking of like a Kia or like a Hyundai Genesis where you can do that. But other than that, I don't know any other car that can do that. Adjustable pedals, front and rear cup holders, front door pockets. You have front door pockets, but on the Charger you have front door pockets. Plus you can put they have cup holders there too. So that's a benefit. Rear parking sensor just like the Charger. Remote trunk. Retain accessories. The only thing you won't see on here is remote start because the older cars didn't come with that. They didn't have the push button start. But just be mindful that you can go get a remote start system. You can literally remote start, and then you have a push button start for like $40. Be out and look out for a video like that. For me, I'm finna Get one. I'm finna get something from eBay as well from that. It's like $37 on eBay. Really good product. I'm probably gonna sell that next month sometime. So be on the lookout for a video like that. Add remote start, push button start, and stuff like that to the car. Retain accessory power. I don't know what the hell it means, honestly. Speed proportional power steering wheel, tilt adjust steering wheel, universal remote. Obviously, same thing once again, just like the Charger do. This is a standard in all the town cars. I'm not sure about the Grand Marquis or about the Crown Vic. I don't believe the Crown Vic has it, but the Grand Marquis should and the Town Car should. But the reason I like the Town Car is the highest trim level, or the highest. It's like the luxury brand of all of the Panther platforms. You got audio and cruise control on steering wheel, same as Charger. You got sun sensor, same as Charger. Electromatic. I don't know how to say that word. Inside a rearview mirror. The Charger didn't even have that. I don't think so. Let's go flip back to it real quick. Nope, it does not have it, as you can see. Oh, safety. I'm sorry, safety. Oh, it does have it. Electromatic side rearview mirror. Sorry, y'all. Front and rear lights. Leather and wood steering wheel. This is real wood. It's not saying plastic wood. This is real wood steering wheel. That's really good to have a wood steering wheel. And it's leather on top of that. It might not be like the Charger is. This is the Charger you see right here, 2012. The heated steering wheel, but you have the leather. Trunk light, dual illumination, vanity mirrors, dual zone, front climate, Town Car, yeah, and rear floor mats. So the Town Car has everything that the Charger has, but the extra cup holders, and the obviously the bigger engine, and the heated steering wheel. But what the Scat Pack is missing is what the Town Car comes standard with. Is guess what? It doesn't say on the. Guess what? It doesn't say on here. This is comfort and convenience, right? It doesn't have leather seats. It doesn't mention it. It doesn't say it, because guess what? I'm not sure if this is going off the base model, and this is the wide body Charger too. I'm not sure if it's going off the base model though, but the base model doesn't even have leather seats in it. It has like suede or whatever like that. The Town Car comes with leather seats, the leather steering wheel in wood. The Town Car also has, I'm not sure if it mentions it as well, it has heated mirror. Okay, power feature heated mirror. Let's see. They should have the same things pretty much, other than, but it doesn't mention exterior options. Okay, exterior options. Let's see. Okay, I'm just trying to make sure. See, look, the Plus Group. See, look right here. This is the Scat Pack. The Plus Group costs $2,000 more. The carbon suede, $1,000 more. All other stuff. The leather seats would be a little bit more than what you would get standard in this car right here. So this is comparing. I'm really comparing this to the cars nowadays. If you ain't buying a Hyundai Genesis and stuff like that, or Kias, y'all know what I'm trying to say. Hopefully y'all know what I'm trying to say at least. But the reason I'm bringing this video out is because the Town Car came with a lot of features that these new cars don't come with. They come optional with it. You have to pay extra for it. This car came standard with leather seats all the way around. All the trim levels leather seats. The lowest trim level is leather seats. The lowest trim level, and I mean the lowest trim level, came with heated seats. It came with power adjusted front and back, power adjusted lumbar front seats, and the passenger seat as well. Both sides. Most of these cars don't come with that nowadays. That's just why I'm making this video. You're getting a 60 in today's time. This will be a $60,000 car. You're getting a $60,000 car with everything included with the base model. With the other models, all you can get. Let's see. I know about the. Let's see if they have it on here. They don't have the. Okay, they don't have the options on here, but like the signature. No, what is it called? The executive. I want to say the executive. If it's not executive, I forget what I'm thinking about. Here it is. This is right here. The executive is the lowest trim level. The signature is which I have, which would be $43,000 a day. You see the prices right here. This is the most popular model because it's the most cheapest model, but it's the most popular because it comes with everything already. The only thing you're missing is a sunroof. Some of them had the suede roof, and then I'm not sure exactly which packages had those, but I know the sunroof or the moon roof, the little suede top, or the automatic trunk. I know the automatic trunk was with the Signature Premium or the Premium Cartier, and you had the automatic trunk. It'll you can double click on your key fob and it'll go all the way up, and you can double click again and it'll go all the way down. So those are the only features that are really added. So it wasn't like a big deal, but just thinking about this car, man, this is a crazy car. A RT that costs a little bit more than this, like $45,000. You're not getting anything like this in a car nowadays. That's standard with this car. That's what I'm trying to bring out. This car came standard, leather seats, everything, the fully loaded, but a sunroof, a little soft top, and a damn trunk, automatic trunk. I mean, this car came with literally everything, man. It came with literally everything. Now these cars, you don't see it on this. Look, you don't. When you scroll down on here, you don't see options or whatever like that. You can optional add this, but when you switch to the 2020 Charger, you see where is it? Let's go down to it. Exterior options. You have different options. Power sunroof. All this type of stuff. It was another option that it just had. It was like interior options or whatever. Here it is, interior options. You connect 70. You know what I'm saying? All this stuff is optional. If you want more, you're gonna pay more for it. You know what I'm saying? $9.95 for a Uconnect. CargoNet $30. Like, why even just make that come with the car? That's what Lincoln did. They made it come with the car. They didn't give you that many options. They only gave you 4 trim levels. They gave you one executive, signature, and premium. I'm sorry, executive, signature, and Cartier. Those are 3 trims, and you can get a premium, or you get the long wheelbase. This is just so simple. They made it simple back then. Now they have so many options to sell you, to bullshit you really, and to I'll pay extra for this when you really can just add that on yourself. Like all the stuff that you see online, like they add like extra pinstripes and stuff like that. You can do it yourself for like $1,000 less. I'm sorry, $1,000 less. $1,000 less. So I'm gonna do a video as well on the wide body chargers. Why you really shouldn't buy a wide body charger, man. It's just pointless. You're paying $3,000. I'm gonna throw it out there already. You paying $3,000 extra or $6,000 extra for the wide body when literally you can go get the kit for $800. A wide body kit for $800 and install it yourself for free. You can even go take it to a shop, they install it. You still pay less than what the price it is from the dealership or from the Build Your Price or whatever like that. So this is why I do my videos, man. That's going to be the wrap for this video. Make sure y'all like and share the video. Smash the subscribe button as well, man. Turn on all post notifications as well so you can be notified every time I post a video.